Hey future money heroes, remember how we said that when wealth inequality gets supersized, it can make our lives a tad trickier? Well, let's take a closer look at how it does its wobbly magic, shall we? And you won't believe what kind of nutty problems it cooks up. Trust me, this next part is going to be a real eye-opener. We're going to explore 3 big ways this financial flip-flop affects us all. And let me give you a sneak peek. It's not just about missing out on cool toys or bigger slices of pizza, although that's definitely part of the picture. This is about much more. It's time for a mind-blowing adventure through the twisty-turvy world of our bodies, our brains, and our communities. And you're invited to join the fun. So grab your thinking caps, your curiosity potions, and your bravery bracelets, because we're about to embark on a journey that will leave you smarter, more empowered, and ready to take on the world. You never know. You might even discover hidden talents and superpowers along the way. Are you ready? Let's dive in together and see what exciting discoveries await us. The health hustle, why our bodies get stuck in slow motion. Can you believe that the amount of money jangling around in your pocket could affect your health? Well, it's true. My curious crew, in a town where wealth inequality is all out of whack, it's like a hidden game of financial whack-a-mole. When some folks have too much dough and others don't have enough, it's harder for everyone to stay happy and healthy. First off, access to yummy, nutritious foods becomes a bit of a slippery slope. Think about it. When some places have fancy grocery stores overflowing with fresh fruits and veggies, but other folks have to settle for less healthy packaged foods because they cost less. It is not fair, and it doesn't keep our tummies or our bodies happy in the long run. Plus, when a few folks have mountains of cash, they often have access to swanky gyms, soothing yoga studios, and even personal trainers to help them stay fit as a fiddle. Meanwhile, other folks might not have easy access to these money-making healthy habits, which means they could miss out on vital exercise and end up feeling sluggish and grumpy. And here's a mind-boggler. Studies show that when wealth inequality is a big, bad problem, it can even mess with our stress levels. Yep, you heard me right. Stress levels. When everyone's playing the money game on an uneven field, it creates tension and worry for a lot of folks. And nobody thrives on a steady diet of tension and worry. It's like trying to build a super tall tower with a wanky, wobbly base. Sure, you can add more and more blocks on top, but sooner or later the whole thing comes tumbling down. And that's not what we want. Especially not when it comes to our health and happiness. That's why tackling wealth inequality isn't just about balancing the scales. It's about building a stronger, healthier foundation for all of us. When everyone has a fairer shot at the good stuff, we can focus on living our best, brightest, healthiest lives without worrying about whether we'll get the support we need to thrive. So remember, my brilliant squad, taking care of ourselves isn't just about brushing our teeth and eating our veggies. It's about creating a world where everyone has the opportunity to do the same. Brain boggle when big money bumps our brilliant brains. Are you as smart as a whip? Can you solve riddles that would stump a seasoned detective? Have you ever wondered how having too much cash around can affect something as powerful as your brain? Well, grab your thinking caps, because we're about to find out. In a town where wealth inequality takes center stage, it's like a puzzling game of hide and seek for your brain power. First off, imagine our pal Professor Ponder. He's got a head full of brilliant ideas, but he is stuck in a town where the rich folks hog most of the funding for schools and research centers. While some fancy facilities are loaded with cutting-edge tools and super smart teachers, others are feeling a bit neglected. Without the right resources and support, it's like trying to solve mysteries with a broken magnifying glass and a foggy, cloudy crystal ball. Yikes. Now, here's where it gets real tricky. Studies show that when wealth inequality is a big, bad problem, it can even mess with our memory and attention span. Yep, you heard me right. Memory and attention span. When everyday worries about money and resources take over, it's tough for our brains to stay focused and remember all the awesome stuff we're learning. It's like trying to solve a puzzle while someone keeps shuffling the pieces around. Not easy, huh? And let's not forget about creativity. When some folks have all the money, and the rest of us don't have much, it can be harder for our imaginations to run wild and free. Why? Well, when we're stuck in a town where opportunities and resources aren't equal, it can feel like our dreams and aspirations are being squeezed into a tiny box. And when our creativity gets cramped, so do our brilliant ideas. So I remember my extraordinary explorers. Solving this wealth puzzle isn't just about balancing the scales. It's about opening up a world of possibilities for our brains to shine. When everyone has a fairer shot at the resources and opportunities they need, we can unlock our full potential and tackle those brain-bending challenges with confidence and curiosity. Who knows? Maybe one day you will be the one leading the charge to create a world where every brain can thrive. Community chaos when big money shakes up our town square shenanigans. Have you ever wondered how the balance of wealth in your town can affect the very heart and soul of your community? Picture this, your bustling town square, the place where friendships are forged, Lemonade stands are set up and dreams are shared. What happens when the rich folks start hogging all the money? Well, buckle up for a wild ride through a town turned upside down. First off, when a few folks get super rich, while others struggle to make ends meet, it can put a serious damper on community spirit. You see, when everyone's playing the money game on an uneven field, it can create tension, mistrust, and even a bit of grumbling. It's like trying to build a campfire with wet logs and soggy mat. No matter how hard you try, it just doesn't catch fire. And that goes for our sense of community, too. Then there's the Great Divide. When wealth inequality is a big, bad problem, it can create a wide gap between the haves and the have-nots. It's like drawing a line right down the middle of your town, separating the folks with lots of money from those who are struggling to get by. And nobody likes being on the wrong side of the line, especially when it comes to their town's success. But wait, there's more. It's not just about rifts in our community. When some folks have all the cash, they often have more say in how things are run. It's like having a puppet master pulling the strings from the shadows, deciding what projects get funded and what dreams are put on hold. And if you're not the one holding the money bag, it can feel like your voice isn't being heard. That's why tackling wealth inequality isn't just about balancing the books. It's about weaving a tapestry of opportunity and fairness for everyone. When everyone has a fair shot at the money game, we can work together to create a thriving community where everyone's voice is valued and every dream has a chance to take flight. So here's the deal, my awesome allies. Wealth inequality isn't just some abstract problem plaguing distant lands. It's a real, bona fide challenge we face right here in our own communities. And trust me, we've got the power to turn the tables. We just need to know our strengths and use them wisely. You might be wondering, what can I really do? But here's the thing, my friends. You already have more influence than you think. You've got your voice, your curiosity, and your heart. With those three powerful allies by your side, you're ready to make a difference. Use your voice to speak up for what's right, whether it's standing up against bullying, writing to your leaders, or simply spreading kindness and empathy. Nurture your curiosity and become a money detective. Ask questions, dig for answers, and uncover the truth behind the numbers and statistics. Knowledge is your secret weapon in the fight for a fairer, brighter future. And finally, let your heart guide you towards compassion and understanding. Reach out to those who are struggling, lend a helping hand, and build bridges of empathy. Together, we can create a ripple effect of positivity that will change the world one act of kindness at a time. Remember, it's not about being rich or having all the answers. It's about using what we have, our voices, our curiosity, and our hearts, to make a real, lasting difference. Don't underestimate the power you hold within you. Your actions, no matter how small they may seem, have the potential to spark a movement, inspire others, and create positive change in the world. So go forth, my extraordinary young friends, and be the heroes your communities need. Domino number 3. Health and happiness hiccups. Imagine our buddy Marx. If Marx lives in a neighborhood where lots of people are struggling to make ends meet, there might not be easy access to fresh, crunchy fruits and veggies, or maybe the local park isn't as safe for playing tag. These things make it much harder to live a super healthy, happy-go-lucky life. People with less money often feel more worried and stressed, which is definitely not good for anyone's health. Every single plant gets awesome soil, tons of sunshine, and just enough water to grow super strong and beautiful. But with high inequality, some plants get all the fancy fertilizer, while others barely get a single drop. Which garden do you think will be healthier and more dazzling overall? The one where all the plants are totally thriving, ta-da, and totally bug the grown-ups with all your brilliant questions about how they manage their money. The more you know, the stronger your money muscles become. Flex it like trying to play your favorite game when you're super hungry and just want a nap. It's just not as much fun. Remember how we chatted about building wealth? It all begins with saving plink. Is this the absolute best use of my fantastic money? And if you're able, look for ways to lend a helping hand to others in your community. Even the tiniest acts of kindness make a colossal ripple. Splash. Even a tiny bit each week can grow into a mighty, ginormous mountain over time, especially with something called compound interest. That's like your money having little baby monies that then have their own baby monies. A strong, healthy America is one where more people have a fair shot at being successful and feeling super secure. WOOHO. By being super curious and learning all about money, by saving for your bright future, and by being smart with your spending and wonderfully generous when you can be, you're not just helping yourself. You should. Every smart money choice you make is a step towards an even brighter future. Not just for you. You are a gigantic part of the solution. You rock. But for your family, your friends, and your amazing community, go team. Oh no, you're helping to build a stronger, fairer country for absolutely everyone. When more people are stressed or feeling a bit under the weather, it impacts the entire community. A healthy community is a strong community. You can choose to support stores that are fair to their workers, or to buy things that are truly useful. We've seen how wealth inequality makes America feel a bit wobbly by shrinking awesome opportunities, putting the brakes on our country's progress, and even messing with our health. It's not hopeless. We absolutely love hearing from you. Gigo, it's a big problem. But guess what? Make sure to subscribe to our channel right now and smash that notification bell so you do not miss out on any more awesome adventures. Ding dong. And when you have a little extra giving to charities that help folks in need can be incredibly, ridiculously powerful. Even small amounts add up to something big. And set a goal, maybe for that new video game, or something bigger like college. Dream big. Together, we can make a huge, colossal, gigantic difference. So, it's crystal clear this isn't just a them problem, right? It's an US problem. Think of it this way. In a world where there's less wealth inequality, imagine our whole town is a giant, flourishing garden. Bloom your superpowers to make a gigantic difference. Boom. Learning about money, how it works, its magic, and why things are the way they are is the very first step. They not only help you build a stronger financial future, but also pitch in to create a healthier, happier town for everyone. Yay, understanding cool stuff like saving, and even how money helps our towns, helps you make super smart choices. Now, for the most exciting part, you're already flexing this superpower right this very second by watching this video. You might be thinking, Professor Weasel, what in the world can I, a magnificent human, do about this colossal problem? Well, guess what? You have superpowers. No, not flying around or zapping things with your eyes, but money's superpowers that can help make a fantastic difference, starting right in your very own life. Zing! Superpower number 1. Knowledge is power. Actionable step. Grab some easy-peasy books about money. Watch even more awesome videos like this one. Superpower number 2. Saving smart. Actionable step. Try to squirrel away a piece of any money you get, whether it's from chores, awesome gifts, or even a little part-time gig. What's the next superpower? You're going to love this one. Superpower number 3. Being a smart spender. Every single time you spend money, you're making a choice. Choose wisely. Actionable step before you grab something. So, remember, knowledge, saving, and smart spending. These are your superpower tools. Conclusion: building a stronger America together. Wow, what a totally wild and wonderful journey. Here's the super duper big takeaway. When just a few folks have almost all the money, it creates bumps and wobbles for everyone, not just those with less. But remember, you've got those amazing superpowers. Feel totally empowered. Call to action if you want to unlock even more money secrets and become an even stronger financial superhero. If this video made you understand something new, give it a gigantic like, and tell us in the comments below, what S1 super cool thing you'll do to use your financial superpowers this week? And finally, share this video with a friend or family member who you think needs to hear this super important message. Thanks for watching, and remember, small financial steps lead to big, amazing changes. See you next time, financial superheroes. POOF.